What's up, y'all? It's Cali West. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. So 2025, and your boy Cali trying to get his G35 right. I got enough time, and it's time to fix the shit up. Now you see in the middle, where you can see where the door is splitting between the fender. That's because my front end needs to be fixed. See how the hood is not lined up right with the fender, and the fender has a space in the door. Well, it's time to fix that. Sick of that. So let's go to the body shop and see if they can put it on the frame machine and do something about that. So here I go again. Still trying to get the coupe fixed. Alright, dropping it off. It better look better. That front better not have no gap in that shit. I know that much. Still don't want to open. Oh, it broke. Oh yeah, this shit broke. It broke. Goddamn. As you see, that I guess maybe my hood latch was rusty or broken, but one way or another it won't work when we try to do the latch. So I'm gonna get it off this donor car right here. Okay. And this part goes inside here. That's supposed to be a clip on the side. Aha. So of course, if I try to remove this clip, it's gonna break. Right. Right. Okay, so we'll go down this channel along the fender. Oh, okay. Okay. This is still connected, so that's good. Sounds like it works to me. Okay, let's take this off. Take it off then. Right. Huh? Right, no. That's why I bought it here. I almost replaced the car. But I didn't. Right. y'all in the street, but finally got my car done. Damn, it just needs some goddamn paint, boy. Came out really well, all things considering. That shit sound terrible. That's one thing about Infinitis. Them VQs, you know, when they don't sound too great when you try to do it with no cats. Unless you do it right and get the right exhaust and muffler, that shit sound terrible. I must say, I feel like they did a good job straightening it up. I don't know if I'm having a bumper fitment issue though. Actually, the bumper actually look okay, actually. I don't know. So far, it looked like it came out okay. Yeah, it's definitely ready for some paint. But first, I gotta wash this shit. I don't know. The guy said he wanted to paint my car, but why pay him to have fun for me? You feel me? You know your boy Cali got them hands. Yo, it looks good to me, and it's the next day. Looks straight to me. Hey, for what it's worth, you know, for how I got hit, it could have been worse. I don't know. The front looked fine to me.